Welcome friends and welcome to the Healing Bite channel. Everybody is looking for a healthier sweetener. This liquid gold, crafted by busy bees, is a powerhouse of flavor and nutrition. Unlike refined sugar that just adds empty calories, honey comes packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, and forget about those artificial sweeteners with their weird aftertastes and potential health concerns. Honey has been used for centuries as both food and medicine. It's a natural energy booster, perfect for athletes or anyone needing a quick pick-me-up. Honey is also known for its soothing properties, helping to calm coughs and sore throats. Plus, its natural enzymes can aid digestion. Honey's sweetness comes with benefits. It has a lower glycemic index than sugar, meaning it won't spike your blood sugar levels. This makes honey a better choice for people managing their weight or those with diabetes. But remember, moderation is key. So next time you reach for something sweet, consider honey. It's a delicious and natural way to satisfy your sweet tooth while giving your body some extra love. With so many honey varieties on the market, how do you know you're getting the good stuff? Real honey is easy to spot when you know what to look for. First, check the label. It should simply say, honey. Words like corn syrup, high fructose, or artificial flavor are red flags. These indicate that the product is not pure honey and may contain added sugars or artificial ingredients. Next, look at the honey itself. Raw honey, the least processed form, tends to be cloudy or crystallized. This is perfectly normal and actually indicates its purity. Processed honey, on the other hand, is often clear and runny, but it may have lost some of its nutritional value. Finally, you can also do the water test. Pure honey won't dissolve quickly when dropped in water, while fake honey mixes almost immediately. And if it smells overly sweet or artificial, it's probably not the real deal. Remember, real honey is a natural product, and like all natural products, it can vary in color, texture, and flavor. Don't be afraid to try different varieties until you find your favorite. While honey steals the show, the beehive holds other treasures too. Bee pollen, propolis, and royal jelly are all bee products with impressive health benefits. Bee pollen, the tiny granules bees collect from flowers, is a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Bee pollen is believed to boost energy, support the immune system, and even alleviate allergies. Propolis, a resinous substance bees use to build and protect their hives, is a natural antibiotic and antiviral agent. It's often used to fight infections, soothe sore throats, and promote oral health. Royal jelly, a special substance fed to queen bees, is rich in nutrients and antioxidants. It's believed to have anti-aging properties, support brain health, and boost fertility. So beyond the golden sweetness of honey, explore the diverse world of bee products. These natural wonders offer a wealth of health benefits, making them a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. Embrace the power of the hive and experience the sweetness of nature's bounty. Please like, subscribe, and share this video.